So guys, now's the moment of truth. Oh my god. Can you guys see how bomb this looks? I just can't wait to taste it. Welcome to the National Academy family! Hi guys, did you know you guys can make an easy crispy hot dog in 7 minutes? Let me show you guys how to do it. Here we have some olive oil. We're going to be putting in a little bit. And by the way guys, this is optional. Now put some paprika. Now I'm going to mix it up. I'll put on the hot dog. Guys, I'm going to be putting it in for 7 minutes. Let's open it. So guys, I'll see you back in 7 minutes. So guys, now let's open it. Oh my god guys. That looks so good already. Wow. Guys, here we have the buns. We're gonna be putting in some sauce. So guys, now let's put in some pepperoni. So guys, now let's put in the hot dog. Now put in the cheese. So guys, now spray some cooking spray. So guys, now put in the air. So guys, now let's see. Wow. Guys, look at that. That looks so delicious. Oh my god. Look at all of that cheese, guys. This is a very easy recipe you guys can make. Very easy. Guys, this is the moment of truth. I'm going to be praying. Amen. Amen. God bless this food. Bless who doesn't have faith for life, faith for everything. Amen. I'm blessed and protected. God bless me. I can be whoever wants to be in life forever. Amen. Now let's taste. Here's for those who made it to the end. Mm. Mm. Well, this is so delicious. Let me show you guys something. It's so delicious. Just look at the cheese. Mmm. You guys should really test this out. This is very delicious, guys. This is good breakfast you guys can make. Very easy, very crunchy, very cheesy. And yeah, you guys taste like that. By the way, please guys, can you subscribe to my YouTube channel? The name is Caldine Family, Caldine and Family. Bye guys, peace. Guys, this is an easy, crunchy, cheesy hot dog you guys can make. If you guys make it somewhere else, use the air fryer, and it's your time to shine.